Hey guys, it's Asia and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to DIY a sweater knit tank top. So here we go. To start off this DIY, I took a tube top and placed it on the bottom half of the shirt that I just cut off, and then I cut around that shape. And then in this next clip, I sewed the fabric together wrong. You're gonna wanna make sure that the right sides of the fabric are touching, like so. And then you're gonna wanna sew down the right and the left side. So the next thing that I did was add my straps, and I just used some thin white elastic that I got from Walmart, and I cut 2 long strips. Then I pinned down both straps on either side of the shirt, making sure the length of the strap was going down the shirt. And then I just sewed the straps into place. And then once those straps are anchored on, I flipped the shirt over and I sewed the other end of the straps onto the shirt. And then I hemmed the top of the shirt by folding it down twice, and then I sewed it into place. And that is all that I did to make this sweater knit tank top. It's super cute, maybe not the most practical, but it's cute, and that is all that matters. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.